Do you want to hear about the witch in southwest Donegal who could turn herself into animals? Seo scéal a bhaithime go minic ag maithar go raibh ban in a coney ar a County Craw in Glencomkillia. One day a man went out to his byre and he was looking at his cow. Agus cé bhí faoin mhá ag gearrtha. Agus bhí an gearrtha seo Julie balling on mhá. The man went into the house then and he got his gun and he shot the hare in the leg and the hare ran away. That was all fine and good until the next day, Lahar Nawara, he went in to visit his old neighbour, a woman, and she was sitting by the fire and she was holding her leg. She was hurt badly and there was a bandage on her leg. Because bhí an fear seo cinse go an bhain seo in a garria an la ribh seo that she had turned herself into the hare and that she was the witch. So just a nice old story from Donegal.